Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. My name is Saugat Thapa and I am your teacher for compulsory maths. In our previous video, we learned about equal sets, equivalent sets, overlapping sets and disjoint sets. And in our today's video, we will learn about subset, superset, proper subset, Venn diagram, intersection and union of sets. So let's start with subset and superset. Before starting, let's have a look at these examples. The elements of set P are 1, 2, 3. The elements of set Q are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we have a closer look at these sets, set P has 1, 2, 3 and Q also has 1, 2, 3. Now we can say that set P is a part of set Q because all the elements of set P is present in set Q. So set P is a part of set Q, and remember, part can also be called as subset here. So set P is a subset of set Q and Q is a superset of set P. Therefore, it is written as P slanted U with an underline Q, where the symbol of subset is written like this. Set P is a subset of set Q because every element of P is also present in Q. This is how it is represented in a Venn diagram. The elements of set P is 1, 2, 3. The elements of set Q are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The reason why P is inside set Q is because set P is a part of set Q. Therefore, if every element of set P is also an element of set Q, then P is called the subset of Q and is written by using the symbol slanted U with an underline. So this definition raises to new query. If set A, the elements are 4, 5, 6. Set B, the elements are 4, 6, 5. Is set A subset of set B? Yes. Set A is also a subset of set B because every element of set A is also present in set B. So set A is also a subset of itself. Set B is also a subset of itself because every element of set A is present in itself and similarly in set B. It means every set is a subset of itself. Proper subsets. The elements of set P are 1, 2, 3. The elements of set Q are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you have a closer look at the elements, P also has 1, 2, 3, so does Q. It means P is a part of set Q. But wait, Q also has few extra elements and the extra elements are 4 and 5. Here, set P is a proper subset of set Q and the slanted U represent proper subset. But why is it a proper subset? Because we can say that set P is the proper subset of set Q if there are all elements of set P present in set Q and there is at least one element in set Q which is not present in set P. This is to say that all the elements of set P are present in set Q as well. But still, set Q has few extra elements which is not present in set P. So in this case, we can say that set P is a proper subset of set Q. Here, 4 and 5 is not present in set P. And this is why set P is proper subset of set Q. So, if the elements of A are 4, 5, 6 and B are 4, 6, 5, is set A a proper subset of set B? No. Set A is not a proper subset of set B because there are not any element in set B which is not a part of set A. Both have exactly same elements. To be proper subset, B should have at least one element which is not present in set A here. There has to be at least one such element to be proper subset. Venn diagram. One of the useful methods of representing sets is by the means of diagram. The diagram is called Venn diagram. Usually, a rectangle represents the universal set and a circle or an oval represents other set. For example, the rectangular shape represents set U. The elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the oval shape represents set A. The elements are 3 and 6, which is shown in the adjoining figure. The rectangular figure represents universal set and the oval shape represents set A here. Representation of sets in Venn diagram. So if we have a look at this diagram, the rectangular box represents universal set and the circles represent other sets. Here, set B is inside set A. It means set B is a part of set A. And as we learned earlier, part can also be called subset. So, set B is a subset of set A. Second figure. Since set A and B are overlapped with each other, set A and B are joined with each other. We can say set A and B are overlapping sets. Sets are overlapped when they have elements in common. Next diagram. Set A and B, they are not joined with each other. So, set A and B are called disjoint sets. The reason why they are disjoint is because they don't have any elements in common. Intersection of sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all elements which is common to both A and B. The intersection of two sets A and B is denoted by A opposite U, B, and read as A intersection B. For example, the elements of set A are 1, 3, 5, 6. The element of set B are 5, 6, 8, 9. So this is how it is represented in a Venn diagram. The reason why set A and set B are joined, are overlapped with each other is because they share elements in common. And the common elements are 5 and 6. So A intersection B is 5 and 6 because intersection represent common elements. The shaded part is the overlapping sets A and B, which is the intersection of set A and B. Union sets. The union of set A and B is the set of all elements which belong to A or to B or to both. The union of two sets A and B is denoted by A, U, B and read as A union B. For example, the elements of set A are 1, 3, 5, 6. The elements of set B are 5, 6, 8, 9. So this is how it is represented in a Venn diagram. Here, the reason why they are overlapped with each other is because they share elements in common, and the common elements are 5 and 6. The union of set A and B is 1, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9. Union means all the elements taken at once. So, in each of the above sets, the union of two sets consists of all the elements of both the sets with the common elements taken once. It becomes easier when you list down all the elements by looking at the Venn diagram. So if you list down all the elements of the Venn diagram, the elements are union of the sets. So to summarize, we just learned about subset and superset, proper subset, Venn diagram, representation of sets in Venn diagram, intersection of sets, union of sets. So before I end my session for today, I would like to end with the thought of the day, which is you can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. Thank you very much for joining our class for today. If there are any queries and if there is anything I need to improve, please feel free to comment down below. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.